Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Class 8 we will discuss over here as natural phenomena. Some of the natural phenomena in which I have already told you about the lighting conductor, lighting, thunderstorm or thunder. The remaining portion of this chapter is that is an earthquake. How the earthquake happens, what is the earthquake, how it happens, what is the criteria to be taken to be followed. So earthquake is what? It is a major threatening natural phenomena or the natural disasters by which there is a devastating criteria to be taken. Why? Because due to this can have losses or damages a lot amount of a human being, the loss of life of a human being, the damaging properties, and also devastating some of the animals and plants too. This is very dangerous or threatened because it cannot be predicted by the scientists yet. Why? Because this can have the devastating nature, but it is a very important thing that there will be the fault zones. Fault zones are the seismic zones can be just obtained, or the fault zone can be described or initiated by the scientist if there is any waves or any shocks to be happen. The point on which it can be produces, this point can be identified by the scientist. If this point is remarked or it is pointed, so we can be very aware of these particular type of natural disasters, and that we can be run from a particular place towards the another place. Why? Because if there is some certain criteria to be taken, so we have to very careful about this before going to the happen such a criteria or the natural disaster. So we have to very careful about. So on that reason we can say it can have some areas where there is the margins or might be the edges of the tectonic plates get attached. So here is the seismic zone by which there is a seismic waves are produces. These fault zone or seismic zones have been identified or maybe the remarkable by the scientists, through which we can save ourselves or we can pretend or prevent ourselves from being damaged or being destroying cases. So in that way we could save ourselves, or we could not be get just trapped to these particular type of a natural disaster or natural calamities, in which these natural phenomena there will be the causing, how this one can cause, how the earthquake can be created. This can be created by there are two type of things, that is a natural and second one is a man-made. So here we have to discuss on the basis of a natural phenomena, or by the natural criteria it has to be taken. What are these natural criteria? There are, that is a 7 continent of our earth. So these continents have made up of the 7 tectonic plates. These tectonic plates are arranged in such a manner that their margins are get attached to one another, and their margins are grinded to each another. So there is a chances for what? There will be the chances to grind or to strike in such a level that there will be the striking happens. Due to grinding from their margins, if they grind to one another, what will happen? There will be a grind more, or might be there is a crack or a sudden movement happens. So these tectonic plates get just move from its original place. What will happen in that case? Suppose if there is a if there is a earth that are their plates situated like this, if it is a crack or a break happen, what will be there? So this will goes down to the this manner, and there is a shape or shaping of the earth. You can feel this can be pointed, but it cannot be stopped, it cannot be predicted. But we can know about there is a sudden moment. This moment is to be taken in the form of a seismic wave. So that one is said to be the earthquake. How this can be happen? This can be happen even when there is a crack or a sudden movement happen in the tectonic plates. Due to the sudden movement or a crack or a break in the tectonic plates, what would be there? There will be a chance to what? To break down or a sudden movement of these tectonic plates. So might be there is some rearranges of these particular type of a tectonic plates. And now here we can say these may be move or these may be just skipped from one another by means of a very small cracks or breaks, or might be somewhere just move ahead or upper or lower inside. So what will happen then? There will be a seismic wave produces. How this one produces? There will be the seismic wave produces. Suppose if there is a point from which there is an earthquake can cause, that is the point or region from where there is a earthquake can cause. So there will firstly there will be the waves are created. So these waves are said to be the seismic waves. Why these waves are produced? Because of that only there is a crack or a sudden movement. Due to this sudden movement, there is a vibration. There is a vibration created. These vibrations can be measured as the seismic waves. These waves are created from that particular place. So this place is known as fault zone, or it is also called as seismic zone, from where there is a wave created or wave produces. These waves are in the form of a seismic waves. So before moving to the earthquake, or before come to the earthquake, there is an point on which the seismic wave produces. Before having or before occurring, before happening of the earthquake, there is a small shocks begins starts. So what they are called as? These are called before the earthquake. So this one is called as before shocks, and some of the shocks remain same for some time after completing the earthquake. So that one is called as a after shocks. Before shocks and after shocks, the two type of shocks are there at a particular time. So in that concern we can say this one is due to only the earthquake. Before the earthquake, this is the warning, or you can say either it is a warning or that is symptoms or symbols by which we can just prompted to escape from these conditions. So that one is very important information or the indication where there is the seismic waves produces, so that can causes the earthquake. Due to the seismic waves produces, we know that there will be might causes an earthquake, so we'll have to be very careful about this. The next is from the other sources, there will be the earthquake also caused. What are these? These can be natural. This is what? This is the natural criteria by which an earthquake occurs. The natural criteria are the natural sources by which earthquake causes. The next one is, this is man-made. Through the man-made activities, there will be an earthquake also caused. What happen if there is some scientific researches takes place on the water, on the sea, on the ocean, or on the mountain, or on the deserts, or any other place over the earth, what will happen? There is a bombard of the nuclear bomb or any other bombed. If they are bombard, so what will happen in that case? There will be the shaking of earth takes place. What is actually the shaking of earth take place? If the shaking of earth takes place, what will happen? There will be causes of, there is a movement slightly breaking, or the movement happen into the tectonic plates as well. So in this concern, at the time of a nuclear weapon, for the formation of a nuclear weapon or any other researches, if there is a bombard on such land, water or mountainous region, so there will be the causes of an earthquake. Here another reason on which there on the mountainous region there will be the drilling takes place, or human drilling, or you can say the manipulating somewhere else, or trying to make something. So there will be also the reason by which there will be the mountainous region get burst itself, or might be get get flattered over there, and that can causes any cracks or break the earth tectonic plates. So there might be another reason to produces the earthquake. Next is the volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption. Volcanic eruption is another medium, in another way, by which there is an earthquake cause. How these can be very useful, how these can be a source by which the earthquake can cause. This can be a reason by which the earthquake cause. Why? Because you know that there are some temperature, wherever the temperature rises in the earth, are there the many sources. But when if there is any fire takes place in a very small amount, and it get burn for a long period of a time, for 100,000 years, then a particular surface will rises their temperature day by day by the burning of particular earth, or might be there is some other sources, and then it can be causes a lump of the light, or might be there is a enormous and huge temperature can cause, due to which there is a rock material, either be the rock material, any other material that can have to be born itself and can produce it in the form of a lava or magma, might be they can be produces, and due to which by blowing or bursting itself from the clefts or into the mountainous region, what will happen? There will be the chances of tectonic plates get either maybe shakes, or might be the move somewhere else. So that can also the reason by which there is a volcanic eruption through the earthquake can cause. Now the terms given are the terms by in the earthquake, different types of terms given in the earthquake. The terms in the earthquake. What are the terms given? The terms given as seismic waves, fault zone, seismic waves, fault zones, or hypocenter, epicenter, epicenter, seismograph, 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 and last one is Richter scale. So first of all, we know that seismic waves, when there is a vibrations happen, when there is a when there is a sudden movement of earth, plates get shaked, so there will be the waves created. These waves are created, and that is in the form of waves or vibration. This one is known as a seismic waves. Fault zone, the place or particular center by which these waves are created, so that one is called as a seismic zones or a fault zones. Hypocenter, these are the center or these are the place by which are the particular vibrations created. That one is called as a hypocenter or a seismic center. Next one is a epicenter. Epicenter, it is the actual place from where there is a plate, they are arranged to one another, the tectonic plates. In the center between two plates there is a place, that one is known as a epicenter. From these waves are created, that is called as a epicenter. Seismogram, seismogram is the device. Seismogram is what? It is a device by which we can measure about the, this can be measures about how much shaking of the earth take place through these such type of a structure placed over there, and here is a graph or paper to be taken, and that can be measured in that form like this. So that one is termed to be as seismogram. Seismogram is the instrument or the device by which we can measure the graph of a particular shaking of the earth. So this one is represented into the graph, and that one is called as a seismograph. Now the last term, that is a Richter scale. A Richter scale denoted as the intensity or magnitude of the earthquake. Intensity or the magnitude of the earthquake. How much intense or how lower it is, this can be measured by their different reading given as. So the reading criteria can be passed, so that can be measured at in that form, that is it can be written as in the form of a scale. This scale is based on the name of a scientist Richter. So that one is called as a Richter scale. So this is all about that. The earthquake will later talk about the next